What's going on, guys? My name is Jennifer Altman. I have been a Nesta certified fitness trainer since 2013. If you're new to my channel, I post a lot of workouts, a lot of workout challenges, and a whole bunch of fitness and health stuff. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you my one simple meal that has helped me lose over 40 pounds. This meal is high in protein, high in volume, and so delicious. I eat this meal all the time. This is my go-to dinner recipe. So if you follow me on Instagram, you probably will recognize this recipe. Let's just say that. I'm all about fast cooking meals, especially like right after like a full day of working. I'll go to the gym, I come home, and I just wanna eat. So this meal is great if you really wanna just make something within like 15, 20 minutes. I'm telling you, this is like, you're gonna make this recipe like so much after watching this video, I guarantee you. So I'm gonna show you what we need. We're gonna be using any frozen vegetables. We're really just trying to add volume, and adding vegetables is the way to do that. We also have spinach, we'll be adding that for volume. Lettuce for our little wrap portion of this. And chicken sausage, I'm gonna be using 2 of these. So high in protein and delicious, very delicious. And we're gonna use an egg. So I think that's everything, yeah. Okay, let's get cooking. Oh, I forgot to tell you the wrap. We're gonna be using a wrap. So this is, oh, it's upside down. This is the Mission Carb Balance. I typically get the extreme wraps from like my other like YouTube videos that I like use it in. But since I moved to Chicago, I haven't found that wrap yet. So I've been trying to find like just carb, like balance, I guess, tortillas. But one tortilla is 110 calories and 9 grams of protein. I'm about that. So we're gonna use one of these. And okay, now we can start cooking. Okay, first things first, we need non-stick spray, and we're gonna spray our pan. And then next, we're going to add our frozen veggies. So I like to use this no-calorie butter spray and just spray it on the veggies along with along with seasoning from Trader Joe's and just black pepper. Okay, next we're going to cut the chicken sausage, you know? Okay. Okay, while that's cooking, I just added spinach on top. So I'm gonna let the spinach cook a little bit and the chicken sausage. Now I'm going to take a bowl or a plate and I'm gonna start making the wrap. Okay, first I'm just gonna have the wrap, and then I'm gonna be adding my favorite mustard. So I like the honey flavored mustard. It's only 10 calories per teaspoon. I'm gonna add that on first. And then I'm gonna add some lettuce. Okay, now the veggies and the chicken sausage is done. So I'm gonna like make room in the middle and spray some spray. And I'm going to fry this egg. Okay, so everything's cooked, so now I'm just going to place on top of the wrap. And it would not be one of my recipes if I didn't put hot sauce on it. And the final product. Guys, like, look how good that is. So I'm gonna pop up the macros and like the nutrition facts of this. I don't think I added the spinach or lettuce because, like, guys, come on, like, let's not be that weird. But it's almost like 50 grams of protein right here. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look how good that looks. I know as I eat it, like, this wrap is pretty decent. When I eat it, like, a lot of things fall out into like the bowl, so it's just like second servings, you know? Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of my recipes, feel free to comment below and tune in to next time, Fit Bees. Peace.